right now we're doing thermal spraying on this dock section. This is going to be the dock that goes around the one of the outer spars of the C-pod. First we take all the rust off, so we're using grinders or sandblasting or a special laser technology that we're getting hopefully in the next couple of days. Then once all the rust is off, then we use this thermal spraying system, and that puts a protective layer of zinc coating on the steel, and then after that we paint it. So this goes pretty fast, should be done in the next couple of hours. This process will be finished, and then we'll be able to paint it and then put it onto the pod, or onto the tripod steel frame, and that should be done. That'll probably go up there late tomorrow after it's painted. So we're moving along pretty well here on this second spar. It gets kind of loud. I don't know if you can hear me anymore. I think they're just playing around with the settings.